Working from home is nothing new, but due to technology, it has become easier to start a business from home. There are various businesses that you can start today that don't require a lot of money to start. Today I will go over 10 proven home-based business that anyone can do starting today. 1. Buy products and sell from home. This is a simple model to follow and only requires you to purchase in bulk from suppliers and sell individually with a profit for yourself. If these products are easy to store and ship, this is a good low-maintenance option to consider. 2. Sell products you make yourself. If you have a specific hobby or things you make yourself, such as homemade hygiene products or craft items, you can consider turning that hobby into a business. Since you'll be the creator and seller of these items, you can manage every aspect of it. You can choose to sell these via Etsy or your private website and will prove to be a good way for you to involve passion with work. 3. Start a blog. Starting a blog may seem like it's not worth much in the beginning, but your blog can be a well-paying home business. Your blog can be on any topic that interests you, and there are multiple ways to earn from it. You can have ads on your blog, charge fees for a membership, sell your homemade or drop shipping products, getting sponsors, or have others write sponsored posts for you. 4. Start a printing business. Starting a printing business can have a similar model to a drop shipping business model. You don't have to ship it yourself or have a supplier for yourself. If you consider yourself good at designs or can create creative designs, all you need are white label products and can sell a wide range of products such as books, t-shirts, mugs, and cushions, to name a few. 5. Become a YouTuber. Many people consider being a YouTuber not a real job, but it is, in fact. A lot of people earn more than the average worker with a regular job. Just like a blog, your YouTube channel can be independent by selling your products or can be used to sell other people's products or services. By becoming a YouTuber, you can earn money by becoming a YouTube partner by advertisements, sponsors, or selling merchandise. 6. Sell your services. Running a service-based business is perhaps even simpler than running a business in which you sell products. If you're a creative professional or have expertise in areas such as designing or marketing, you can freelance or work with companies right from your home. You can juggle multiple clients at a time but won't require as large a market as you would if you're selling products. 7. Teaching and tutoring online. With more and more people preferring the ease of technology, the demand for online classes and courses has increased over time, which means that there is also a need for teachers and tutors. It is fairly cost-effective and provides a vast range of topics and any you're comfortable teaching. You can sign up for websites that provide a platform for teachers or tutors to work from. 8. Virtual assistant. For any existing business or individual worker, you can become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who handles small tasks for their employer or another company or entrepreneur, which can be entering data, answering emails, managing online presence, updating blogs, or scheduling. Most virtual assistants charge by the hour and can earn a considerable amount of money from their home. 9. Data entry. This is another field of work where you work with a company or a business for whom you will be entering data. Data entry is done by entering data into some form of database, and you don't need to have a lot of experience for this. The fee of the data entry is usually charged according to the size of the database. You need to be able to type fast, so freshen up on your typing skills if this is something you would love to do. 10. Freelance writing. Content writing as a profession has met with a rise in recent years as competition amongst businesses has grown, and content marketing makes up for most of these businesses' online presence. Businesses are constantly looking for freelance writers to constantly pump out content for them and can earn a lot of money,